What's up, YouTube? It's your girl ShayOJay and welcome to another video. So this video is going to be a 2020 lookbook video. This year on social media, I really tried to serve you guys looks, cheap alternatives for outfits. Basically, just find a way to show you guys that you guys can look like a baddie on a budget. And a lot of the pieces that I did end up purchasing were things that I only really wore once. So I'm thinking of doing like a giveaway or something and just like giving away the clothes that I bought, because to be honest, these clothes are just really in my closet and I just know I don't have an event to go to that I will wear these again. So I got a lot of my outfits from Aliexpress, Fashionnova, Shein, that was a really big one, Prettylittlething. If I'm missing some, I'll just say it during the video, but I did shop from those 4 stores really hugely last year. Those are like my go-to. And on top of that, I was getting a lot of sponsorships, so I was getting a lot of people sending me their clothes to wear. Some of them were local, some of them were from outside of Windsor, some were really international, so I'm really happy about that. So thank you guys so much. This one right here is Delore. I don't know if you guys can see. If you can't, I'll tag them down below. She is a local business owner in Windsor, Ontario. This is actually a 2-piece set. This shirt is from Shein, but these pants are the most comfortable biker shorts I own, and I love biker shorts. I'll be wearing biker shorts with everything. She has the most comfortable ones, and this size I think is small, but honestly guys, like, y'all see that? I have a small body and it made me look like I got a fatty low-key. First piece is this dress that I wore earlier on during the year. I think I did do a Aliexpress haul once again earlier on in the year, and I ended up doing like a try on with this dress. So I bought this dress thinking that I would look like Lori Harvey, but I really didn't. I didn't look like her. I don't have the body for it. I wore it with a waist trainer, and that really helped with the shape, because this dress gives you no shape unless you already have it. It's not really an outfit that I would wear out to like an event, because my angles just, I don't know, I just feel like if I wore it I would just be like, you're insecure, you're insecure all the time. I don't know why. I'm just saying, I just feel like this doesn't capture my angles very nicely, so I really only wore it for the picture and like the aesthetic, and I just think it's a really cute dress. Listen, if you have body, get this dress. It's just for me. You already know, you guys already know, I'm part of the booty gang. So I can't really be getting away with stuff like this all the time. One thing I really loved about this fit is that it goes past my knees. So it is one of those dresses that you can like low-key wear to church, like on Easter Sunday or something, you know what I mean? It's like a little mock neck over here, you know? It's very appropriate. It's very appropriate. So I got a lot of questions about this dress that I wore on Instagram. I swear this was one of the dresses, the staple dresses that I wore that really like blew up. People loved this dress. So many people asking me where I got this dress from. So the answer is Aliexpress. I didn't really buy this with any intention of wearing it to an event. Like COVID, Miss Rona. So like I just wanted to have the dress in my closet. I didn't think I'd wear it. It's kind of like a vacation dress, I would say, but I saw it on Kylie Jenner, I believe. She has a picture with a dress like this, and I was like, I need that dress. The dress is very comfortable, makes your boobs look great.
Big boobs.
The material itself is very stretchy, and it was also very affordable. Like, I got this in a size small as well. Along with that fit, I did wear these heels. So these heels are from Shein, and these heels do make, I think, a reappearance a few times after that picture. They're not really that comfortable, to be completely honest with you guys, because of this little thing right here. I'm guessing it's just to separate your toes. I just couldn't wear it out for more than like 10 minutes. And I'm an avid heel wearer. When I tell you guys I love to wear heels, I'll take any excuse to wear heels. These were just not doing it for me, so I would literally wear these just for the picture. I took them off before the picture's even taken. I'm taking them off. So a few days later, I ended up posting another picture in this dress. So this one I ended up getting once again from Aliexpress. So here's the thing. I saw this dress on Kylie Jenner earlier on in the year, was obsessed. I did see a scandal like a few days later after that, talking about it's a black owned business. She bought the dress, she went on vacation, everybody's going crazy for the dress. She did not tag the designer. So after purchasing this dress off of Aliexpress, I did feel some ways, just a little bit, because I'm giving my coin to Chinese people who are ripping off of a black owned business. So I do understand that, but in my defense, I went to go purchase this dress from the actual designer and it was sold out. It was sold out when Kylie Jenner had worn it. It was sold out a month after Kylie Jenner wore it. It was sold out 2 months after Kylie Jenner wore it. I didn't want to wait, so I ended up purchasing off of Aliexpress. Dress is pretty much identical. Really, I don't even think I'll even put the Aliexpress. Should I? I'll think about it because I feel bad, and I don't want you guys to be giving your coins to Aliexpress when there's literally a black owned business that created this dress. The reason why I decided to pose that way on Instagram is because this dress is see-through. So I don't really know what you can do if you do end up purchasing this dress, or if you do end up finding it. I don't really know what you can do other than maybe like wear a brown bra with it. Still, the brown bra will show because this fishnet is nothing but fishnet. So my nipples are really literally showing in the photo. I could not take any pictures facing frontwards unless I did some heavy editing. Honestly, didn't want to do that. I was like, you know what? And the picture turned out okay. Okay, so the next fit over here I got from Fashionnova. This is why I fell in love with the dress, because there's a huge slit down the middle. I don't really have hips, so I don't know why I was so obsessed with it, but the model had hips, so that's probably why. I ended up wearing this dress in Toronto. I'm telling you guys, I was feeling myself. I absolutely love the look. We ended up going out and like I just got compliments all night. So like, once again, if you have body, then definitely get this dress because you'll just be feeling yourself like all day, all night. This is probably a dress that I will wear again, but only to the club. If the clubs open up again, I will definitely wear it to a club. Like, yeah, this is one of those dresses that you can definitely wear again in another city, or in every city that you go to. The next fit is, ended up purchasing this leopard dress from Prettylittlething. I think I decided to go with my like exact size, and it did not really work because the fabric that this dress is, I don't know if you guys can see this, it's ribbed. So this is how the dress looks originally. As soon as the dress stretches, I don't know if the camera will allow you to see that. If you guys are seeing what I see, it's basically white ribbed lines, and I honestly hated it. As soon as I put the dress on, and this was like the most expensive outfit that I bought for the girls trip. It was probably like $40 once again too, honestly, and I wouldn't have spent that much money on this dress had I not already had a vision. Literally saw the dress and immediately I thought of what I can do with just the dress, and so I molded everything about this outfit around this dress. So I was like, I need to have it. I need to buy it. If you guys are going to purchase it, purchase a size up, maybe even 2 sizes up, because it was just very, I don't know, the ribbing just didn't look right. And I did a lot of heavy editing when it came to like contrasting and stuff like that, because you could literally see like how ribbed it was. You can literally just see, I don't know if this is threading, I don't know, very small, like 2 of my thighs fit in the spandex. It literally just looked like my circulation was being cut off. So that didn't matter as much because a part of the fit anyways was to wear black pantyhose. One of the girls that came with us on the trip ended up bringing leopard print heels, so I was like, let me borrow that real quick. I really went to Toronto, Ontario, but I was really feeling like I was going to London, Paris, baby. Also from Fashionnova, I believe, and it was like $6. So I was like, why the not? Like, this isn't the only time you'll see this hat. If you own a beret, you're a bad. I'll tell you that. So yeah, next picture is this. So I bought this cute little skirt off of Shein. I was like, this is so cute. I saw this on somebody on an Instagram reel, and I was like, what? That is insane, the way that she looked, her body. Once again, I always forget that the body does not come with the fit, but I was like, let me get it anyways. And I wore it with this shirt that I have on over here. This shirt, Shein as well. This is honestly just a regular white tee. Thing with me and white tees is that they don't last very long. So I'm surprised that I got to a second wear, because I usually never get to a second wear. I only get to the first wear. After the first wear, I can't wear the shirt anymore. It turns brown. I get makeup on it. I get food on it. I just can't keep white, to be honest with you guys. So the next fit is Burberry. Y'all see that? I said y'all get it? Burberry. Because this is actually one of the odd ones as well. These pants came from, I don't want to say Stitches, Sirens. And I think Sirens is a Canadian store, so I don't think they have a Sirens anywhere outside of Canada. But an equivalent to Sirens would be like Urban Behavior or Urban Outfitters. Did I say Urban Planet? All the Urbans, basically. So that's where I got these from. There was like a huge like Burberry trend throughout the year, so like everything was Burberry print. So this, like, I'm sure you can find this anywhere. Another picture on Instagram where I'm wearing my afro and like a cloth in between and like just some plain like black underwear. I basically cut the cloth of the other pants that I bought and just made it a really long cloth, and then I tied it up over here and then brought it over. So I had quite a few people ask me where I bought the shirt from, but to be honest, I'm just a bit ghetto and creative. I think there's like some ripples on the side of the shirt, and that's because I literally just cut that up. I took the picture real quick. However, the shirt that I'm wearing in this picture is an actual shirt, and I believe it's from Aliexpress as well. The shirt's like $5. So yeah, this shirt I did get from Shein. Once again, this shirt was probably like $12. A brown puffer jacket. So I've been wanting to get one of these from time, and I've been looking for them, and then I ended up finding this on Shein. I think this was like $30 probably. If not, I mean, I'm gonna link it down below anyways. Only problem that I had with it is that there's no pockets, but it is cropped, so I really loved that. Obviously you can't see the photo that I'm using, but I'm pretty sure I'm wearing my Jordans in this photo, and I'm also wearing black tip jeans, and I think those jeans came from, once again, one of those like Urban Planet, Sirens, I think specifically Urban Behavior. This is like a very basic like lounge set. I'm pretty sure Lounge probably has a set like this, but like a lot of influencers and like different beauty boutiques sell different versions of this fit. I did get it off of Aliexpress as well. These are like the pants, but I couldn't find the top. The top is really comfortable though. It has adjustable straps to the back. Only thing is, like I said, you guys, I can't keep white. I really wore it probably twice. Once for the picture, once like for real to just chill, and like yeah, I be getting like makeup and on my stuff, so like that's why I just don't wear it. And like there's no other occasion where I would wear it. Like I don't have nobody's house to go to, I don't have nobody to lounge around with. The thing is, I actually intended to get this set in tan beigeish color. It might have even been brown. They have a whole variety of colors on AliExpress. That was the look I wanted to go for. It probably was my fault. I'm pretty sure I just ended up clicking like white. But this ended up being like a better decision. I don't know about you guys, but like I really love this. I think the set's like $20. Not something that you would like work out in or anything like that, but it is definitely a lounge set. Like I'd be lounging around. This hair in particular, I'm wearing 2 wigs on my head. If you guys want to know the explanation behind that, then let me know. I'll make a whole video on it. Alright, I ended up purchasing once again from Aliexpress. My inspiration for this outfit was Glow Princess. If you guys don't follow her because she is the ultimate Instagram baddie. Wore something like this with like a white top, and I thought it was really cute. So I was like, let me find something like it, and I did on Aliexpress. So that's where the inspiration for that outfit came from. I can't really see myself wearing this out because I live in Windsor, Ontario, so people definitely be like, what are you wearing? As you can see in the photo, I actually have a timer in my hand, like a Bluetooth timer. So I took the picture by myself. I literally just went to a location and there was a whole bunch of people there also taking pictures for themselves. And yeah, so there some people there like really loved the outfit as well. So the shirt that I'm wearing in that picture is also from Aliexpress. I just bought it because it had like, I don't know what this trend is called, but this was really on trend 2020, and like they don't even really match, but they kind of do. I don't know, it just worked. It honestly just worked. So yeah, so that is it. I think I captured most of my 2020 and a little bit of 2021 in a little lookbook. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You guys can comment down below what your favorite look of 2020 is. If you guys have any questions whatsoever when it comes to makeup, hair, outfits, shoes, whatever you guys wish, let me know. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for being a part of my Instagram journey. Anytime I post a picture, you guys are always there commenting, giving me all that engagement. I really appreciate it, you guys. Just keep coming with the fire. I'll keep coming with the outfits and the staple products. And yeah, it's only up from here in 2021. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.